Hey guys, what's up? It's Ricardo, junkguysdfw.net. Today, exclusive on the Facebook discussion group page. I wanted to talk about a question that I actually saw on there. Someone had asked something great question, by the way. Tanner Roderick. He says, I have two different Google My Business accounts. Or he says, I'm sorry, should I have two different business Google accounts? One for my dumpster rentals and one for junk removal. He says, I want each name for part of my business to be specific. For example, I listed my business account's Huntsville Dumpster Rental as one Google My Business account. I feel that would confuse some customers who won't realize I provide junk removal as well. So what do y'all think? Well, Roderick, I'll answer this question. This is a great question. Thanks for bringing this up. Very easy. So you're doing dumpster rental and you're doing junk removal. To me, my honest opinion would be to use two Google business accounts. Why? Because in one half you're doing dumpster rentals, right? You want to do dumpster rental, but I know you want to use your dumpsters in junk removal, but you're actually providing two types of services. You're going to drop off dumpsters and there's pricing for that, okay? And you do junk removal, which is different pricings for that. Plus you want to kind of take advantage of the fact that you have two Google My Business accounts. I think that's really important, Roderick, that you look into that. Be sure that you specify on Google My Business what you're doing. So if you're going to do dumpster rentals, that has to be one Google My Business account. And you're going to be doing dumpster rental where? I mean, apparently you said that you want to do it in Huntsville Dumpster Rental. That's great. So go and get yourself a Google My Business account for Huntsville Dumpster Rental. Then you get yourself another Google My Business account with your junk removal business. But I will tell you one thing, you gotta have two different addresses and two different emails. So if you don't do that, you will get banned and you will get red flagged. You might get a soft suspension, but if you get a hard suspension, Roderick, you're never coming back for that. So I want to be able to give you this advice. Don't make that mistake. Don't use two. Okay, listen to this. Don't use two accounts with one email. That means you will open two businesses with one email. Don't do that. Roderick, what I would do is open Huntsville dumpster rental at gmail.com and then put a Google My Business account for that with the address that you're staying at. Then find out where your girlfriend lives or your wife or maybe your side chick or maybe a parent or a family member. Find out where they live, get their address, and open your junk removal service with a new email. I will tell you, do it your way, Roderick, and you will get suspended. Because it's happened to me in the past. I've been dealing with Google Places for the last 12 years. Did you hear that? I said Google Places. Why? Because it actually used to be called Google Places, and now they changed the name to Google My Business. I've been around that long. But I will tell you, Tanner. Oh, it's Tanner. Roderick or Tanner? Well, doesn't matter. Tanner, Roderick, I will tell you this. If you do two business accounts and you open it with one email and you separate the name, that is a 100% suspension on your Google My Business account. So be careful with that. You'll need two emails, two separate addresses, and you'll have to log in that way. And it's not a big deal. I've done it before too. So I hope you take this business tip from me, Tanner Roderick, and use it and apply it to your business. And don't forget, guys, that on February the 10th, I will be unleashing my Facebook private group webinar where I will teach entrepreneurs how to build your business. Because you know why? I've been there before. I've done the mistakes that you have done. So I'm going to give this as a free class to new entrepreneurs because I'm going to tell you, we're not the competitors. We're not competing. Us small businesses don't compete against each other. We compete against the big boxes, such as 1-800-JUNK and Junking. We need to unite as a small group and eliminate jobs from them and the lead companies, because the lead companies are hurting our business. So don't forget, try to join me February the 10th on the Facebook private group page. You can direct message me on Facebook and ask to be part of it, or email me at junkguysdfw@gmail.com. And I hope this, Tanner Roderick, helps your Google My Business account. Bye-bye.